Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Krishna Prajapati with you. In today's video, we are solving another LeetCode problem number 9, palindrome number. So this problem is great for understanding string conversion and two-pointer technique, palindrome logic and character comparison. So let's understand step by step and understand what is the palindrome number. So the palindrome number is like we reverse that number. So then after the reverse, that number is as it is in the given input. So let's understand with seeing an example number. So here example number 1, the input is 1 to 1. So if I reverse this number, so in the reverse, so after the reverse, these numbers make the 1 to 1. So there is no changes after reverse. So that after that reverse as it is, so that condition or called that palindrome. So output is true. Here is the second number example, minus 1 to 1. So in the output it is false. Why? So from left to right, if I reverse this, then that minus is reach out after the numbers. So that in the output we got the 1 to 1 minus. So that is false. So the output is false. Here is the third number example, which is 1 0. So when we reverse that 10, so it makes 0 1. So that is not as it is the given input. So output is false. So let's understand what my idea. So the logic is simple behind of this. First of all, we convert a number into string, and after we use a two-pointer technique, and if all character match, then palindrome is valid. Otherwise, not palindrome. So here I write the code, and first of all I convert that integer value into string. So I take variable and I use inbuilt method which is toString, which convert the integer into string. ToString is inbuilt method which is provided by compiler. Now we take the two pointers method. So string up to string dot length minus 1. Now I use while loop. So I less or equal to j, and after I run the if loop, if str of I is equal to str of j, when the condition is true, then it's increase the j and decrease the j. Sorry, increase I and decrease j. Otherwise, in there is written false, and in the valid written true. So here, if condition is doing, if the integer is, if the number is same, then that increase. Here we see with the example here 1 at the 0 index, I is at the 0 index and j is on last index, which is 1. So here the number is matched. Here the condition is matched, so the increase the I and decrease the j. So that condition for true. So in the return the while loop is end, and after this return is true. So I run this code. If there is a kind of problem in this code, then it gives error. Otherwise, test case is accepted. So here all test cases are accepted. There is no problem in my code. So that's it. That's it. And we now talk about complexity. So the time complexity is O(f)(n) because we travel the string only once, and space complexity is O(f)(1) because of the no extra spaces are used. So that's it for this problem. If this explanation helped you, then like, share and subscribe, and comment what you want from me in the LeetCode problem in my channel. So see you in the next video.